Hey, tell him to let the thing warm up.
Aren't you gonna let it warm up a little bit? YouTubers, as you can see, it's a pretty nasty day today, but I'm enjoying my all organic orange juice. And I have a very short video for you guys. Went down to Al Marlow's house to check out a car he's putting together for this season. Of course, whenever this stuff is out the way, he'll race it. But it's a short video. We end up shooting the shit more than we did shooting videos. But it was pretty good to get down there and see what he's got. And don't ask me what's done to his car as far as motor-wise, because if you ask Al, it's a 283 with some very special double hub heads. Like I said, it's a short video, but I think you guys are gonna like it.
Hey, have you seen it?
Seen who?
These nuts.
Cause some came in the mail today.
I did.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Hey, tell him to let the thing warm up.
Huh? Aren't you gonna let it warm up a little bit? Okay. Oh my God.
It's there now. It's warm.
All right. One wheel. Now it looks like two tires. Like I said, it's a pretty short video, but if you guys want to see Al Marlow's car out there in the track this season, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell with notifications, and I will get out there and film his car whenever he gets it running. Al's not the kind of guy to sit there and talk in front of the camera, but as you saw, his son, Brandon Marlow, will definitely be talking on camera. So I'll be getting back out there and hopefully filming some more shenanigans over there at his house. That's if Al will let me come back out now. But anyways, like I said before, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get updates on my videos. Keep on wrenching, and peace.